Hi everyone, I'm Cosmin. Today on Dessertophilia, I'm showing you how to make an ultra creamy Tonka bean ricotta mousse that's 100% sugar-free. If you don't know what Tonka beans are, they're the seeds of the Tonka tree that's native to Central America and Northern South America. Because of their truly exquisite, unmistakable scent, Tonka beans are used in high-end perfumery. But as is the case of other precious spices, Tonka beans have a seat at the table in luxury cuisine as well. They get their unique fragrance from coumarin, a natural compound that's found in many other plants, such as lavender, cherries, licorice, cinnamon, and apricot kernels, among many others. What's interesting about coumarin is that in high concentrations it's toxic. But there's no need to worry here, because you need to ingest at least 30 entire Tonka beans to reach levels of toxicity. And you need 2 to 3 Tonka beans for an entire cake. Well, now that you know more about this gift from Mother Nature, let's make the mousse. Start by blooming 5 grams of gelatin in 40 milliliters of cold water. In my double bottom pot, I have 75 grams of erythritol, and to this I'm grating a Tonka bean. You're gonna have some little pieces left over, cook them too. You're gonna strain the sauce afterwards anyway. Now add 2 eggs and mix very well. And then add 125 milliliters of full fat milk. Mix this in and then take the pot to the stove. Now cook the custard on the smallest flame and whisk constantly. It's very important that you keep the custard moving, otherwise the eggs will curdle. When it reaches 82 degrees Celsius, remove it from the heat and keep whisking. Then pour the custard through a strainer in a heat-proof bowl and add the bloomed gelatin. You'll notice it becomes quite fluid after the gelatin melts. Don't worry, it's part of the recipe. Let it sit for 5 or 10 minutes and then add 250 grams of ricotta cheese. Try not to lift your whisk as you mix, you don't want too many bubbles at this stage. Once the ricotta is fully incorporated and you don't have any lumps, it's time to cover the cream with plastic wrap directly on the surface to avoid a pudding skin, and then refrigerate it for 3 hours. Now put 2 teaspoons of sugar-free apricot jam directly into your serving cups. Apricots are a natural match for Tonka beans. Remove the plastic wrap from the surface of the cream and loosen it up with your mixer without starting it yet. Then add 160 milliliters of whipping cream. Make sure it's very cold. Start the mixer first on low and then increase the speed. And now on high speed, beat what was until now a pudding into a beautiful, creamy, airy mousse. This should take about 5 minutes and you'll notice it doubles in volume. That's exactly what it's supposed to do. Pour the mousse into your serving cups. You can see the beautiful texture. Use the back of a teaspoon to level the surface a little, but don't press too much. And now add a little more apricot jam on top. Use a toothpick to draw an abstract pattern. Keep the desserts in the fridge for an hour to give the mousse and the apricot jam some time to set. And then, enjoy! See you next time, Dessertophiles!